Okay, did everybody wash your hands?
Yeah.
Did you wash? Show me how you wash your hands. Wash. Good.
Wash.
So now, first we're going to put on the sauce. Remember, the pan is hot.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. It's hot. Ooh, it's so hot.
Ooh, it's too hot.
Okay? So we got to put our sauce on. So when you put the sauce on,
What?
look, watch.
Now what?
Ooh. So, Grandma, you put on some first. You put some on. And then Izzy going to put some on. Good. It's hot, Izzy. Be careful. See, don't touch the pan. Put more sauce on it. Get more. Good.
But just that hot.
Yeah, it is hot. Be careful.
That hot.
Put more.
Tell them no.
Good job. Izzy, you want to put some on?
Yeah.
Okay, let Izzy put some on. Uh-oh. That's okay.
Ooh.
Izzy, be careful. Be careful, Izzy. Just be careful. See, then you can smooth it on there.
My toe.
Okay, one more.
Oh, what do you mean? My toe. My toe.
Okay, wait.
My toe.
Okay, good. Now put the spoon back in there, Iz.
My toe.
Okay, it's your turn.
My toe.
Good job. Oh, don't lick your hand, Izzy. Now we got to wash your hands again. Now you have to wash your hands again.
Ooh.
Don't touch the pan. Good job. Don't touch the pan. Come on, Izzy, let's wash your hands. Don't lick your hands. When you're cooking, you don't lick your hands, okay? You gotta put more sauce on it. And don't lick your hand. Don't lick your hand when you're cooking, okay? Good job. Now let me pour the rest of the sauce in there, and then Izzy can smooth it out, okay? Okay, your turn, Izzy.
My toe.
Now, Izzy, can you go like this? Now, Izzy smooths around. Smooth all the way around. Then you start putting.
My toe.
No, we're gonna put toppings on now. Hold on. Be patient.
I'm my toe.
When you're cooking, you gotta be patient.
My toe.
Okay, let's start with the cheese. Can you put some cheese? Look, let me show you how to put the cheese on. Watch.
Ow.
Watch me. Look. Ooh, can you guys put the cheese on like that?
Yeah.
Izzy, can you put some cheese on like that? Spread it all around. Izzy, spread it all around. Spread it all, look. Spread it all around. All around, Izzy. All around. Here, we didn't put any over here. Look. We didn't put any over here. Try to only get the cheese. So we got all the cheese? Okay. So we got all of the cheese. Okay. So now let's get some black olives. Look. Try to get it black olives. Spread the black olives all around, Izzy. Let Izzy get some, come on.
Okay.
Let Izzy get some. Spread them all around. All around. All around. Good, Izzy. Go ahead. Put them all around. All around. Good job. So now, let's get mushrooms.
Okay.
No, these are mushrooms.
Okay.
So let's get the mushrooms and put them all around. Gamma, you have to spread it all around. Good. All around. You spread them all around, Izzy?
Yeah.
Don't put your fingers in your mouth. Don't put your fingers in your mouth. Good. Good. Okay. So now, let's put our peppers. Peppers. Here, these right here. Yes. Put them all around, Izzy. You got to put them all around. Good. All around. Good job. Good job. So now we have to put the onions on right here. And put them all around, Izzy. Izzy, all around. All around, yeah. All around. You can't put them in one spot. You have to put them all around. Good job. So we ready to put it in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in the oven.